I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to make a festive holiday wreath. First, you take a piece of cardboard and you trace a circle onto it. I used a saucer. And then I took a cup and traced a smaller circle inside of my larger circle. Once you have traced your circles, you can cut them out with scissors. Toward the top outer edge of my ring, I'm going to punch a hole so that I can later put a string through it and hang my wreath. I'm going to decorate this wreath with holiday bows and stick them all around the ring I just created out of cardboard. For this wreath, I'm going to wrap a cardboard ring with tinsel garland. First of all, I punched the hole in my cardboard ring so that I could later hang it. Add any other festive touches you would like, such as a bow.